Hi, this is Anais Salas with a very basic demo tutorial for my Tech Talk Cooperative boot campers. So one of the things that I wanted to show you is how I set up my desktop internet tabs when I'm working every day, and this might be an arrangement that works for you when you're spending time with your boot camp materials. As you will see up here on the left, I have my Gmail account open. Okay. And I have my Google Calendar open. I have my Google Drive open, and as you can see, I've just opened it up to look at some things in the Bra Straps Beginners program. I have my Bootcamp cluster module 2 open, and if I wanted to watch one of these videos, all I would have to do would be to click on it and it would start to play, as you can see here. This is a pretty
thank you for tuning in with me.
Pretty amazing technology. I love it. So when I'm working on my module, I can go back and forth between the things on my vision board here and back and forth between the vision board and the modules here in my Google Drive under the Bra Straps Beginners Bootcamp. I also have here my Tech Talk Co-op site open for me to work with if I need to. And of course, I have my Evernote account open. So this gives you a sense of how you can organize your desktop when you're going to be working in your bootcamp materials. For those of you who are new to Google Drive, let's look at some of the things that Google Drive can do for you. On the left, these are various folders that I have set up. When you hit the Create button, Google gives you the option to create a folder, a document, a presentation, which is the equivalent to a PowerPoint, which you can save as a PDF. And if you are doing presentations in Instant Teleseminar, for instance, you would be able to prepare your materials in Google Drive and save them. Excuse me. Spreadsheet. Forms. I don't like Google Forms. I have a subscription to JotForm. I also use MetaStory. I am not using Lucidchart Diagram because I think Real-Time Board does better for me. But these are options that are available to you within your Google Drive. You'll notice here the Connect More Apps button, which if you're in Google Chrome gives you the opportunity to go for some other interesting applications that you can use. There's an animation application. Here you see real time. Here's Simple Booklet. You can do voice recordings right here in your Google Drive, and you can have a zip file extractor. So go to Connect More Apps. If I were to go there, it would open up into the Chrome store, and I could look through and find things that were valuable if I wanted to add them. The one thing I will say about adding Chrome applications and what that looks like when you first open up a new tab, I'm going to show you how that arranges itself on a new tab. This may take a while to load, I don't know. I might try this from two different directions. So here in Gmail, I'm already in Gmail, and if I want to go to apps, I click on this icon, and this will take me to my apps, applications. Those are all software applications that are either local in your browser, those are your better ones, or they're ones that you'll have to download. So you can see this is slow loading because I have so much going on here right now. But Google Drive is an app, YouTube is an app. These are apps that exist within Google, and then you can go to the Chrome store and add some additional applications. I really would like to show you that. I may do a small separate tutorial on it because it really is interesting. Okay, so once again, we have our Gmail, our Google Calendar. Drive is open and ready to use for all of our information. Our vision board is up for us and ready to use. If you are working within your website, you may choose to have that open at the same time so that you can experiment. Your Evernote, the first thing I do when I start my computer, the first place I go is log on into Evernote and then into my email. And then if you were working on your social media module, you would likely perhaps have your Facebook page open, alternatively your Twitter account open, alternatively. But you yourself have to gauge what works for you. But at a minimum, I would suggest that you have these tabs open and ready for you to use when you're working on your boot camp. Okay, so I will be uploading this video demo on my website in the bra straps subdomain support area for you, and I am happy to take these few minutes, and I'm going to make another couple of very short demos that will help you navigate your organizational processes and really dial it back to your very beginning steps if you're not sure what to do. I'm going to log out of this for a moment so that I can show it to some of you I know who are working out there who do not yet have an Evernote account and are not sure what to do. So when you go to Evernote, www.evernote.com, and that's the place you need to go, you will have the option to create an account or to log in. So let me see if I can take us there without getting too overburdened here in the process. Because I want people who have not yet signed up for Evernote to see what it looks like. This is their landing page. This is where you enter your email, where you sign up, and once you have signed up and they send you a confirmation email with whatever email you use here, you have to go to your email account, verify it, and then come back and sign in over here. All right? So this is what your Evernote page looks like. Then once you've opened your account and you've saved your login information, you come back, you log in. This remembers my information. I sign in, gives me another reminder of all the wonderful things it can do. And it is a wonderful, wonderful companion. It's like having a virtual assistant. I use it all the time. Then you're assuming that I've got the juice here. We're going to see that my notebooks come up on the left-hand column. And I've got a lot going on right now in a slow signal, but we're getting there. So you see here are all of my notebooks. I can go to a notebook for, I'll just go to Google. Doesn't have too many in it. Now these are my Google notes, and in a minute, any notes that I have in here would show up if I wanted to open this notebook. All right. Let's go here. If I wanted to start a new note within one of my notebooks, if my memory weren't burdened, you'd be able to write a new note here. I'm going to just invite you to explore this resource because it's going to be hard for you with all the hard for me with all the memory I have going on here to show you everything, but it's really very easy to figure out, and I'll likely do a separate demo just on Evernote. Okay, that's it. We are at 10 minutes, and that's a good amount of time for a quick video laser coaching. Take care.